Hello friends. Now let me first take a look at today's data again. When I look at the economic calendar, there is the Bank of Canada rate decision, but today's data does not contain any important data for my portfolio because it is not in the instruments that I follow. Now I'm going to look again at the Fed interest rate screener. How the pricing there has been from yesterday to today. Yesterday it was 62% and it's still the same, 62%. It says that there will be a rate hike of 50 pips at the Fed meeting on the 1st of February. Now, it looks like the market pricing will continue where it left off yesterday. So there will be a pressure on the instruments from a 50 pips hike. If the scenario, I think, comes true, all instruments will already go up quickly. If it does not come true, that is, if it increases by 50 pips, there will probably be a price movement like this. Since it has priced 50 until that day, it has priced the price increase of 50 pips. After that realization, the instruments will relax again and a movement upwards will occur again. But this will not be a very aggressive movement, it will bring a slow upward movement within the expectation. If it is 25%, there will be an aggressive upward movement. Now let's take a look at the instruments one by one and take a look at the trading points that the algorithm gives us. 102.56 for the dollar index. If it sees, we'll enter the sell transaction from here. If JPY sees 132.496, it will enter the flood process from here. EURUSD comes to 1.0850. We'll log into the buy process from here. GBP 1.2202 US dollars if income. Buy will make the transaction. Nasdaq will enter by trade from here if 11.651 comes in. If SP 500 comes in at 39.56, he will make a buy trade here. Bitcoin will buy if it reaches 22370. Ethereum reached its first buy point at 1546 and we've done a transaction from 1554. Avax 16 will do it if 42 comes in. Ounce of gold will enter the buy trade if it comes in at 1917. Silver ounce 23 will enter the buy trade if it comes to 17. Now, let's take a look at the status of the portfolio. There are 3, 5, 9, 10, 11 poses in total. Let me even show it in Excel. I have 11 poses. These poses wrote a profit of about 190 euros. Including that profit, I have 1,214 euros in my safe. So I can carry 12 positions for the medium and long term. A very low medium and long term carry position. My safe is now 1,026 euros. Let's see how much profit realization it made in yesterday's trading. Yesterday, the 24th. A profit realization of about 86 euros. The positions that were opened by the SL tracer here were closed and reduced a lot of positions. In summary, Again today our risk appetite is open but close to neutral. The reason for that is that there is pressure on the instruments until the Fed decision on the 1st of February. Because of the pressure here, the algorithm will buy when we see a decline of almost the entire daily band movement. And they will hold these positions for a very long time. But on a daily basis, we will also do profit realizations inside. So we will see the amount of the safe deposit box over there. If we have 1,200 euros, we will see 12 exposures, we will move them. But the exposures above 12 we will do profit realizations into the safe deposit box with a trailing stop loss on a daily basis. And lastly, we're going to take a profit realization. Let's take a look at the copy trade page. Look, here we have 1026.48 in our vault. 1026.48 euros have already been transferred here. And the growth rate of my account is about 249% so far. This account is a 10-12 week account, and in total, as you can see here, 160 euros and 132 euros. Money has been deposited. So it is a 292 euro account. This 292 euro account has now reached 1,212 euro, including open positions. If there is an important development in this video, I will make an addition to this video.